Okay, what now? What? These are my eggs.
No, these are Michelle's eggs.
No, I boiled them. Mama, come on. Now you do the justice. Michelle, no. Okay, wait. I will eat the eggs and I will become stronger. And then when we fight in the evening, I will win. Yes, these are my eggs. Michelle, come on. These are my eggs. Well, I boiled them. What's the matter with you? Mama, please, you help me. Give me my eggs.
No, these are Michelle's eggs. You come. You come.
No, Michelle, they were my eggs. You cheater. You cheater. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, she was not eating eggs, and I just gave her an idea. We fight, the father and daughter fight in the evening on the bed, and I told her whoever eat eggs becomes stronger and wins. And now she's weeping that she will eat eggs and so become stronger and she will win. And obviously I let her win. So this is just a way, an idea to feed our girl. You cheater! This is so unfair, Michelle Jan. This is so unfair. Michelle's mama, why don't you help me take my eggs back? Okay, you give me one piece. You want to share daddy? You want to give daddy one piece? Thank you. So, our fight is scheduled in the evening, right? We'll fight in the evening. Done?
Michelle will win.
Okay, no, I will win.
No.
No, I will win. Who will be the winner? Who will be the winner? No, I will be the winner. Oh, okay. You will be the winner. Okay, you go eat your eggs
Eat more.
and become stronger.